What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. Alright, what up, everyone? What up, Ken? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. Okay. Cool. Alright, so, hope everyone had a great weekend. And we're back at it. So today is Monday, March 13th, 2023. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. Alright, and today we're doing the show from the stock exchange, New York Stock Exchange. Kind of deceiving. Today was absolutely nuts. Everyone was, we'll get to the news, but everyone was scared that, we were going to have a bank run. Financial crisis incoming. Because it was really not looking good. Bunch of banks went down over the weekend. Friday, over the weekend. And, yeah, we have some pretty big developments happening today. So, crazy stuff. Crazy action today. We were deep in the red. Then I think we came in the green briefly. And then we finished here pretty neutral. But yeah, what a day, especially for banking stocks. We'll get to all of that. Market sucks, everything red. Actually, during power hour, it turned, even before power hour, it turned green. So, yes, it was very red. And then, I don't know, today was absolutely nuts. I don't even know what's happening. This is insane. What up, user bub? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. If you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. Okay, Beelzebub says financial crisis incoming. Yeah, I don't know. No one has a crystal ball. Hopefully that does not happen. But yeah, there seems to be a lot of red flags. But the good thing is that if there is something good that comes out of this, the government and the Fed are starting to, they definitely notice, and they're starting to step in to take actions to protect customers. So this is on the radar of government officials now. So hopefully they step in and they do their thing and prevent a financial crisis. But it may be too late. Who knows? But yeah, two banks got bailed out today. We'll get to that. So maybe it looked like it, but there's intervention going on now. So maybe not. Hopefully not. We'll see. All right, Ken says he made 8K today. Nice, dude. Yeah, that was a super gamble, and I'm glad it worked out. You're printing today. Congrats. Well deserved. Okay. Cool. 1 second. Let me see some live rainbow bearing here. 10x. No. Yeah, nothing going on post-market just now. What happened to crypto this weekend? Signature Bank, that's what happened. And then today, it went back up because they're getting bailed out. We'll get to that in a second. But what's up, Low Roller? Appreciate you as always. If you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please and thank you. Okay. Cool. And what up, Mark? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. I thought USDC, a safer stablecoin, is to tank 88 cents. Well, it's one of the more reputable stablecoins, yes, but they're backed by Coinbase, which was backed by Signature. So when Signature went down or seized, everyone got scared and started selling off their USDC, and it got depegged. I think it got repegged now. Don't quote me on that, but yeah, scary stuff. Okay, if you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please, thank you. Okay. So appreciate everyone for being here. And so today, we got a lot of content today, but shouldn't be that long of a show. Let's see here. So as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews, live rainbow bearing, all that good stuff. Although, honestly, I haven't really made any plays in the past 3 days. The past 3 trading sessions, there has been no live rainbow bearing. Very little. Because if you guys watch me, you know that I like to catch stocks when they moon, and nothing's mooning, so there's nothing to catch. So I probably made like 1 or 2 plays in the past 3 trading sessions. Barely made any money. I mean, I'm actually down a couple $1,000, but yeah, I just haven't been able to really make any plays, to be honest. But we'll get to that in a second here. But yeah, so we'll do our daily stock and crypto reviews, live rainbow bearing. We got 5 articles today, all about the craziness that happened over the weekend, last week, over the weekend, and today, about all the banks. First Republic, Signature, Charles Schwab, comments from Biden, everything. So 5 articles about the whole, everything that happened with the banks over the weekend. And then we will finish up with the YOLOs. We have 7 YOLOs today. Shouldn't take too long. Some memes, a lot of gain corn. I think 1 lost corn. But yeah, not too much planned today, but a lot to talk about. You know what I mean? So I'll probably go hour to an hour and a half. Oh, TA. All right, so for the TA, we are going to do... So all the banks, pretty much. FRC, SIVB, WAL. That's it. And WAL. I guess maybe even Bitcoin as well. All right, let's do it. Yeah, let's do that. So Bitcoin, FRC, SIVB, and WAL. So banks and Bitcoin. So 4 stocks to analyze today. And then we'll finish up with the YOLOs. So again, 7 YOLOs. Shouldn't take too long. So yeah, there actually is a decent amount of content today, but a lot to talk about. So we'll see how long today goes. But should be about an hour and a half, I'm predicting. Anyway, appreciate everyone for being here. Let's get started, guys. And before we begin, please like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Circle put $3 billion in Silicon Valley Bank. That too. USDC is also owned by Circle. So yeah, Coinbase and Circle, losing a lot of money. But then they're getting bailed out. So it's all good. But in the moment, it was very scary. But Biden said they're gonna bail out Silicon Valley and Signature. I guess the government bail out cryptocurrency? Yeah. What a surprise. Did you make tons of money shorting bank stock? You would be super rich today. No, I didn't short any banks. I didn't short anything, actually, today. I actually lost money. So, no. Okay. Cool. All right, I think we covered the intro there. Let's get started. I already said that. All right, let's go, guys. All right, let's do a live rainbow bear. Yeah, TD is glitching today. It's not letting me do my 2000 scan for some reason. My 2000 stock scan. Now it's not letting me do my 1000. Oh, there it is. All right, so 10x is going up. Don't know why. Nothing. Another one here. AMLX. AMLX. No bailout on Silver Bank. Didn't hear about it. No, there's no bailout as of yet of Silvergate. No, just Signature. All right, so AMLX has earnings. So we're not going to go for that. All right, so nothing so far. Just AMLX, and that's on earnings. Okay, let's get to my plays. Where is it? And honestly, there's not much to talk about. I gotta update. Wow, I cut all my stocks on Friday, huh? Is ONCS and BLPH and okay. Yeah, so I literally did not make any new plays today. There's nothing to short. Nothing is mooning. Well, there's a lot to short, but you guys know my strategy. I wait till something moons like 50% till I short it. So nothing was mooning today, so there's no shorts. And I actually was up like $1,000, and then the market started mooning, and well, let's get to the plays. But yeah, so SERA, and I'm still back holding all of these, by the way. SERA, down 3.8%, up 195 there. ONCS, I don't know what happened to the stock. Like, I was up all day on this, and then I checked during power hour, and then I'm just down $700. I don't understand what the hell happened here. Like, what was this? Like, right here, at 1 o'clock, it started mooning. What is that, dude? But okay, sure. So up 18.5%, down 705, and then BLPH up 1.87%, down 95. So yeah, what a swing. So I was up $1,000, and now I finish actually down 600. So yeah, go. The go just started, I guess. Yeah, it did, but you just came in, Zach. So certainly doesn't look good, but the government is stepping in and intervening now. So it may be too late, but they're trying to save it. We'll see what happens. Gold price pumping hard today, yeah, because people are selling their bank stocks and their crypto and buying gold. You should short bank stocks on Friday, like First Republic and other bank stocks. Thanks 60% today. Well, if it were that easy, then yes, I would have done it, and everyone would have done it. Yeah, didn't catch the move, won't chase. Smart, very smart. The apes are growing. I see you guys. No bailout. People lost money. Silicon Valley banks. No, Silicon Valley got bailed out. Silvergate did not get bailed out. Silicon Valley's getting bailed out, and Signature is getting bailed out. So no, nobody lost money on Silicon Bank. Okay, let's get that clear. Can you please chart 10x? I bought Friday at 51. Sure, dude. Stay tuned. We'll get to that. No, low roller. Everybody in Silicon Valley Bank got bailed out. Nobody lost their money. Okay. Or was it First Republic? Wait a minute. I'm sorry. No, I think it was it First Republic or. No, I'm pretty sure it is. Hold on. You guys got me second guessing myself here. Yeah, Silicon Valley did get bailed out. Okay. Yeah, thought I was bugging for a second. They did, in fact, get bailed out. Yes. Okay. Cool. So, yeah, my plays today, only 3 plays down. Actually, it's only down 500 now, so not as bad as before, but yeah, still down today. My bad. Let's do the watch list. Forgot about that. But no, Silicon Valley Bank is getting bailed out. Okay, watch list. I was talking about people investing in Silicon Valley Bank stock. Okay, then they're not getting their money back, but yeah, people who have money in the bank are getting their money back. But, if you invested in Silicon Valley Bank, you probably didn't lose that much because you're supposed to diversify. So, you only got wrecked on Silicon Valley stock if you're an ape, like a boomer ape. You said I YOLO Silicon Valley bank stock and lost tons of money. You said I get my money. I don't remember saying any of this, but sure. Okay. It's 420, guys. Make a wish. All right. Watch list here. So we're not gonna spend too much time. That's actually a decent amount of green. Well, I mean Nasdaq did finish in the green today. All right, let's take a look. So the meme stocks are mooning, and crypto is. I do not know why crypto is mooning. Well, because Signature got bailed out, but really weird. So HYMC up 29%, Marathon 26%, BKKT. So these crypto stocks are mooning. Riot, MicroStrategy, crypto stocks mooning today, and meme stocks. Microsoft up 2.1%. Amazon 1.9. Apple 1.3. Yeah, so not much value in the green here, except for a few select tech stocks. They got Coke, Chipotle, Pepsi. Yeah, so random Google, Tesla. So random value down here. But yeah, not much in the green today. Only really tech is in the green. But yeah, crypto, meme stocks seem to be mooning today. And then let's get to the red side. And yeah, on the red side, all right, so Schwab is actually down 11.6%. And if you guys watched earlier, if you guys watched the market today, Schwab was down over 20% in the morning. That was very scary. And well, all the stocks were down a lot. All the bank stocks, and they did recover somewhat. I mean, still pretty nasty, but they did recover. People were buying the dip on these bank stocks. But yeah, Schwab finishes down 11.6%. That's kind of unheard of. Ally Bank, 10.7%. Yeah, Citigroup, Wells Fargo, 7%. All the banks are getting wrecked today. Bank of America, 6%. You know, blue chip value stocks are not supposed to trade like this. So, absolutely disgusting day for the bank stocks. Okay. And not just that. There's a lot of value. A lot of growth here, a lot of value as well. There's BP, GM, Fox. So some bank stocks didn't get hit harder than others. Like TD's only down 2.6%. That's really weird. Because them and Schwab are the same company. Anyway. Yeah, eBay. And there's Morgan Stanley. Interesting. eBay, GM, Starbucks. Anyway, we're not going to spend too much time here. So today actually wasn't as bad as it seemed. In the beginning, it looked really bad, but we finish here not so bad. So the only things really getting wrecked today are the banks. And crypto is mooning. And crypto stocks. Really weird day. Crazy price action. I don't even know what's going on anymore. But hope you guys made some fat tendies. And actually, this is pulling. So I'm only down 400 now. All right, let's go. All right, so hope you guys didn't lose too much money, and hope you guys made a lot of money here. I did not make today, but yeah, hope you guys did. Any ape Wall Street bets YOLO play bank stock shorts? Do you have it as YOLO play in your show? I have a few of them, but there weren't many, to be honest. Maybe they posted more. All right, there is the stock market for you today, guys. Absolutely disgusting. Well, actually, it wasn't that bad, but it looked pretty disgusting. Didn't end that bad. All right, another scan. Still nothing going on here. So let's get right into crypto now. If you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button, please, and thank you. Wow, crypto is crypto's doing real good today. All right, 1 second here. Let me pull up the articles too. All right, let's give this a second to finish loading articles, and we'll do crypto here. I don't know why ONCS went so hard. Excuse me. Really, really weird. Right. Almost unloading. Jimmy G, Suns and Raiders today. I saw that 3 years, like 100 million, something like that. Can't remember. Solid pickup. I mean, I don't think they're gonna win the Super Bowl, but solid pickup. And hopefully Aaron Rodgers signs with the Jets. That'd be very nice, and then we win the Super Bowl. Do you see a long line Signature Bank in New York, your area? I don't even know where Signature Bank is, bro. So no, I haven't. If it's in New York, it's definitely downtown. I don't live downtown. Okay. Let's do crypto here. Still got one more article loading. But we'll get started anyway. Actually, give me a second. Oh, it's done loading. Okay. So here's crypto. That is up 10.12% today. Oh, wait a minute. I didn't put the screen up. One more time. So here's crypto. That is up 10.12% today. All right. So yeah, huge day here in crypto. This is pretty counterintuitive. Well, it makes sense now, but yeah, so Signature Bank went down, and then everyone starts buying crypto. It doesn't make any sense. And now we get the news that, they're going to fully back everyone, and it's going to be all right. But, I don't know why people were buying crypto, and, like, I understand now why it's moving, but even before Biden made that announcement, Bitcoin was up like 7%, so weird stuff here. Anyway, I'm not complaining. So Bitcoin's up 14.34%, over 24K again. Ether up over 8%, pushing 1,700. Yeah, everything's moving. Binance 7%. USDC regained its peg. Cardano 7. Yeah, everything is big numbers here. A lot of value, double digits. Let's sort this out. Oops. Oh, I'm using my... Oh, excuse me. I don't know why I'm using my trackpad. I'm a little tired today, guys. My bad. I don't think you can tell too much, but I didn't get much sleep. I was up, waiting for the market to open. I was anxious. All right. Me and my friend were up together, 4 o'clock, waiting for the market to open. All right. Yeah, let's sort this out. So start on the red side. Buffering. I hope it's good now. You have money, Schwab. Are you planning bank run your money? It will be next. It could be next bank collapse. I doubt that. Like I highly doubt that. It's possible, but very unlikely. Schwab is the biggest bank, so if anything, it'd be the last one to go down, and it's too big to fail. So I really don't think that's gonna happen. They're bailing out SVB and Signature. So if they're bailing out mid-sized banks like this, they're definitely gonna bail out Schwab. There's no way Schwab is going down. TD Schwab, no way, no way. Why Bitcoin going up? Because Signature Bank's getting bailed out and crypto is saved. The simplest version, put it that way. Yes. Yeah. Garoppolo. Yeah, Garoppolo signing with the Raiders for over $20 million. hey, he's solid and he deserves it. So I don't think the Raiders are gonna win the Super Bowl, but they'll be a good team. They'll be competitive. And yeah, 34 mil guaranteed. So that's pretty good for him. He's a good quarterback. He deserves better. You making tendies today, Todd? You make tendies? Hell no, I didn't make tendies. I didn't lose that much, but I didn't make. I was up 1,000, and then I finished down, 400 right now. So not too bad, but no, I did not make any tendies. No. Anthony Walker, what's up? What's up? Roku did not crash. I'm surprised. Yeah, because well, this is not fact, but it's probably because Roku did business with SVB Signature Bank, not Signature, Silicon Valley Bank, and they had like $500 billion with them, something ridiculous. But yeah, so SVB is getting Signature Bank is not Signature. Silicon Valley Bank is getting bailed out, so Roku is not losing their money that is invested with Silicon Valley. So that's why really all these stocks invested with these that had exposure to these banks are not going down that much. They're getting bailed out. They're getting saved. No more Fed interest rate hike this year. Yeah, don't say that, dude. I think there's a lot more. I think there's a lot more to come. Bro, Dallas Cowboy won Jimmy G. No, they got Prescott. You should short bank stock on Friday. You'll be super stay. Again, if it were that easy, everyone would have shorted bank stocks on Friday. No more Fed rates. No more Fed rates. There will be Fed rates, dude. Maybe not as aggressive, but they can't just stop it like that. Okay. Yeah, back to this. We got sidetracked for a second. No roller. Ken went long on the bank stocks and he made 200%. That's what he did. He did even better than shorting the bank stocks. Okay. So red side, literally nothing in the red here. Just Leo, 9%. I don't know why. That's literally it. One coin in the red. Or two, I guess. There's Pax Gold. Yeah, 2 coins in the red. Pax Gold, Leo. So everything in the green here. Almost 100%. Everything. Altcoins, value coins, super double digits. Biggest gainer is Conflux, almost 60%. Everything in the double digits here. This is a massive, massive bull day. Massive bull, I was going to say bull run, but massive bull day for crypto. So, yeah, I don't know. Pretty counterintuitive, but nothing makes sense anymore. Okay. So, yeah. We really don't need to see everything here, but everything is winning today. Value, growth, and yeah, 10%. I mean, while it's not unheard of in crypto, that is definitely, a good day for crypto. Like 3 or 4% gain is not anything that crazy, but 10% is pretty significant in crypto. So yeah, very nice, very nice. I will take it. Not complaining at all. So yeah, crypto mooning today and stock market. Okay, it's pretty neutral. But yeah, overall, actually you should have been a little bullish today. You should have made a little profit. Well, depends on what you did, but today was actually a little bullish. Neutral stock market, very bullish crypto. So I hope you guys made some fat indies. If not, hope it wasn't too bad. I'm about to short WAL last Friday. He is crazy ape. Yeah, he is a crazy ape, but he made a lot of money. It worked today. Red or green tomorrow? I'm gonna say yes. No, hold on a second, dude. Let's look at SPY, and then I could kind of give you a prediction on red or green tomorrow. I gotta look at the SPY post market. 10x up post 5.5%. I did see that, but there's no news, so that's really weird. I don't know why. I'm long on wall at 9 FRC 2, $20 FRC. All right, we'll look at that in a second. When we analyze it. TRKA popping after all the dilution. 31 million shares to 309 million free float. Down 67% since it hit 99 TRKA. Yeah, I haven't been following it that much. A little bit. But I don't know, what did I say? What did I say? I literally said don't get too greedy, hit the sell button. I knew it was gonna happen. We all knew it was gonna happen. And yeah, there's still apes who will diamond hand it. Yellen said no bank bailout, but she lied again. Yeah, she literally said that yesterday, and then today they got bailed out. 2 bailouts. But they might use some weird language, some sneaky language, where it's not a bailout. It's I don't know, call it something else. Like it's not a recession, because we changed the definition. So they might change the definition of bailout. I don't know. Oh, pooping. Pooping. Got you. Popping. Well, they actually mean the same in this context. In this context, it's not a big difference, but usually it is, yes. All right, there's crypto, guys. Massive tendies in crypto today. Whew. Yeah, I need a nap. Okay. All right, guys. Today, once again, we got 5 articles, all about the banks. The banks, Biden, and Fed. Pretty much everything that happened in the past few days. All right, let's do it. So this is old news, but let's recap what happened. All right, First Republic drops 50%, leads decline in bank stocks despite government's backstop of SVB. First Republic said Sunday it has received additional liquidity from the Federal Reserve and JP Morgan Chase. The bank said the move raises its unused liquidity to $70 billion before any funding it could get from a new Fed facility. The Federal Reserve created a new bank term funding program that will offer loans for up to a year to banks in return for high-quality collateral like treasuries. Yeah. So it's not a bailout. They're just borrowing from the Fed, right? Okay. So this is good. So yeah. So if you guys haven't heard, I think on Saturday, First Republic went down, or Friday, can't remember, but they went down. And then, so the Fed's stepping in now. Can't allow this to happen. JP Morgan stepping in, essentially buying a stake in First Republic. Who, I think Merrill Lynch, someone, HSBC bought a stake in someone else too. Can't remember who. But we are starting to see consolidation now. These bigger banks taking on these smaller banks, buying them up. And the distressed assets, and they just become bigger monopolies. It kind of is like '08 all again. Did you buy USD at 88 cents this weekend? You were making a lot of money? No, did you, dude? I don't buy crypto. I don't really mess with crypto anymore. I just buy and hold it. Ty is falling asleep at the market for bored. Not falling asleep because I didn't sleep. That's why. I was up watching the market for too long. Okay, so pretty self-explanatory here. Yeah, First Republic getting... Alright, it's not a bailout, but it's a bailout. Essentially. So they can borrow unlimited funds as long as they put up their treasuries as collateral. So, yeah, I think we'll be alright. I don't know, but it doesn't seem as bad as it initially did. Which is good FD stock to buy at the moment. You're asking the wrong dude, man. I don't give FD stocks out. Okay. Yeah, so First Republic, it still got wrecked though, down 50%. But I guess it's good. They're getting liquidity. But yeah, First Republic, go. All right, next one. Why regulators seized Signature Bank, the third largest bank failure in U.S. history. All right, so on Friday, Signature Bank customers spooked by the sudden collapse of Silicon Valley Bank withdrew more than $10 billion in deposits, a board member told CNBC. That run on deposits quickly led to the third largest bank failure in U.S. history. Regulators announced late Sunday that Signature was being taken over to protect its depositors and the stability of the U.S. financial system. I think part of what happened was that regulators wanted to send a very strong anti-crypto message, said board member and former Congressman Barney Frank. All right, so this is a little old. 5 hours old. I disagree with this last point. sending a very anti-crypto message. Because if they really were anti-crypto, they would just let it go under. But they did, in fact, save everyone's money here. So I don't think that's the case. I think they just wanted to make sure everyone doesn't go poor. But yeah, this happened yesterday, Sunday. Signature Bank went under, getting seized by New York. So I don't know what's gonna happen with Signature. Is it gonna dissolve, or they're gonna pay out insurance and dissolve, or what? But yeah, news on Signature Bank here. All right, next one. Charles Schwab shares drop 12% even as the firm defends financial position. Charles Schwab shares cut steep losses on Monday as the financial institution defended its portfolio. Schwab was taking hits along with other financial firms with massive bond holdings of longer maturities. Schwab in its update sought to reiterate that it has plenty of access to liquidity and low loan to deposit ratio. Okay. So yes, even Schwab was getting wrecked today along with the other bank stocks, which is kind of weird because this is the biggest one. It was down 20% actually at one point. So I believe them when they say they have access to lots of liquidity. They are the biggest bank in the world. And I really don't expect them to go under, and if they do, it's definitely getting bailed out. But yeah, even Schwab was getting wrecked today. I'm like, what is going on? This is insane. You know, blue chip value stocks, bank stocks don't go down 20% in a day. That's insane. But it did. All right. That's how capitalism works. Biden says of SVB, Signature Bank investors who lost money in failed banks. All right. President Joe Biden assured Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank customers that their deposits were safe. The nation's top bank regulators on Sunday announced the Federal Deposit Insurance Corp and the Federal Reserve would fully cover deposits at both failed banks. Any losses to the Deposit Insurance Fund will be covered by a special assessment levied on federally insured banks, not taxpayers. Yeah, so this is how they indirectly get the taxpayer to pay the bailout. But, okay. So, yeah, this is what Biden said this morning. That there's going to be 2 bailouts, pretty much. He said bailout without saying bailout. Okay. That's pretty much it. Yeah. So you get all your money back, not just $250K like it usually is. You get all your money back if you're with SVB or Signature. If Signature Bank didn't bail out, Coinbase go bankrupt, and huge drop in cryptocurrency? Yeah, absolutely. I mean, yeah. It was looking that way until, this morning. But they could have saved Silvergate as well. Just print more money and bail out all the banks going bankrupt. Yeah, that works until the money's useless. Can't do that forever. All right, and last one. Something broke, but the Fed is still expected to go through with rate hikes. All right, markets still expect the Fed to keep up its inflation-fighting efforts despite high-profile bank failures that have rattled the financial system. Traders on Monday assigned a 85% probability of a 25% interest rate hike when the FOMC meets March 21st to 22nd. Goldman Sachs was virtually alone when it said it expects the central bank to pass up the chance of rate hikes next week. Our money is worthless anyway? It's actually worth a lot of money, dude, compared to everywhere else. No, the answer to when you need money is not to print more money. That's what happened with COVID, and that's why I just said the C word. That is not, all right, my bad. One slip. No, that's why we turned on the money printer in the C19, and it was good, and then now we're in this situation now because of that. So, I don't think printing is the way to go. Plus, you're going to make more inflation if you print. And we're trying to bring down inflation. All right, so, yes. Market going crazy. Fed's still doing its thing. So this is in about a week. They're going to meet and see how much they're going to raise the interest rate by. So yeah, 85% probability of a 25% hike. That's what the consensus is. So, I mean, I give it to the Fed. They're ruthless. They do what they say they're gonna do. Did Jim Cramer say to buy SVB bank stock last week? I don't think so. Are you being sarcastic? Sounds like you are. All right, guys. So, yeah, the general consensus of the market is that the Fed is going to keep raising rates no matter what. 85% probability, 25% next week. Okay, cool. All right, there's all the articles, guys. Good stuff. Now let me open up the YOLOs. We'll do some TA, some live rainbow bearing, and then we'll get out of here. Whoops. All right, loading up. All right, let's do another scan. What the hell with IMPP? I don't know. It's a meme. Whoa, you're right. What is up with IMPP? What is going on? Why is my keyboard not working? Yo, what's up? Is it just... Hold on. Why is my keyboard not working? Okay. Well, that's a problem. I think we just lost the keyboard for the rest of the show. What was that? All right. Well, let me look at IMPP here on my phone then. That is really weird. Okay. Okay, they're not doing an offering. That's the news. No offering. No offering. So the high was... Oh, man. How am I gonna... No way, dude. No, give me the virtual keyboard. Where's the virtual? Oh, man, this is stupid. I need my keyboard, bro. How did the keyboard just go out? That's crazy. Where's my virtual keyboard? Did I hit something, bro? Nah, it's out. That's crazy. Hopefully, if I restart, it'll work. But I hope I didn't just lose my keyboard permanently. What the hell? Oops. Unplug the keyboard. It's a laptop, dude. All right. All right, I'm going to have to go mobile. This is going to be difficult. All right, we're going to have to wing this for the rest of the show. I don't know how I'm going to type this in. Hold on. Get external keyboard. Dude, I'm live in the show here. I can't do that. IMPP. $24. All right, I think we're going 24 on IMPP. I don't even know if I have one. Even if I did, I'm not gonna... Dude, I'm live here. I can't do that. All right, so 17... We're going 24 cents on... IMPP. It won't get there? Well, you got to put it in order. Just in case. sound a bit biased, dude. Sound like you don't want me to short IMPP. Alright, order in for 24 cents. We'll see, we'll see. So no YOLO today on my keyboard. No, I got my mouse. I don't have my keyboard. Give me a second. I think I can pull up a virtual keyboard here. I just gotta find it. I can't even type in virtual keyboard. Oh man. If I... Alright. Yeah, shit. This is a problem. Sorry guys, technical difficulties. Let me see if I can do a virtual keyboard here. Alright, you know what guys? I think we are gonna have to restart the stream. I didn't want to, but there's really no way. There's no way around it. So this is gonna, you know, really destroy the momentum. But I can't type anything right now. This is dumb. So what we're gonna do is, we'll be back in 5 minutes or a few minutes. Really sorry guys. Technical difficulties. I don't know why my keyboard is not working. Hopefully it actually works and it's not gone forever. The show is not canceled. It is delayed by 5 minutes. Okay. Yes, I'm gonna reboot my laptop and hopefully it works. And I'll see you guys back here in a few minutes. So I understand if you guys want to dip. And I appreciate everyone who stays. All right, we'll be back a few minutes, guys. My apologies. All right, there we go. All right, guys, I think we're back. I think we are back. So, all right, I gotta give me 1 second. I gotta get all my apps open again. Oh man, this is a total poop show here. All right, let me get my TD open. Let me get my chat open, and let's get rolling again. So my apologies, guys. I don't know what happened there. My keyboard just decided to stop working. But thankfully, I rebooted the computer and it does work again. I was scared. It was like just done. And I didn't have a computer anymore. But I don't know what happened there. But we're good. I appreciate everyone. So sorry about the technical difficulties. Appreciate everyone for sticking around. And yeah, give me like a minute or two to get my TD open and OBS working again. And we'll be right back at it. But yeah, really sorry about that. Don't know what happened, but really appreciate everyone for sticking around. Probably lost a few people, but that's how it goes. All right, TD app almost open here. Come on. Alright. Let me get the chat open here. Alright, chat is loading. Come on. Everything is just loading right now because I just rebooted. And, alright, let's give that a second. Okay, I think we are good to go. Yes. Alright, guys, sorry about that. Do me a favor. I think we're good, but someone just type in chat real quick to, confirm that you guys can see me. But it does say live, and, uh-oh. Oh, no, we should be good. It says live. And 4 concurrent viewers, so I think we're good. But, yeah, someone please just confirm we're good. Okay. Where were we? So, my bad, guys. Alright, back to the live rainbow bearing. So, yeah, so IMPP currently at 20 cents. I have the order in for 24. So, we shall see if it gets there. But other than that, really, really slow aftermarket action. Nothing going on here. Alright, cool. So let me pull up the YOLOs again. We'll do the TA, and then we'll finish with the YOLOs. Okay. YOLOs loaded up. No one's saying anything, so I hope we're live. It says live, so I'm assuming we're live. Okay, what stocks we doing? Alright, so let's do Bitcoin. Bitcoin, FRC, SIVB, and WAL. Okay. So we're going to do Bitcoin futures here. Alright. Not gonna lie, it's a little sketch to me. So this is a futures chart, so you can't take this with... You gotta take this with a grain of salt, because this is a little different from a crypto chart, because there are gaps. But there is a gap up here at, like, 20.3K. So there's a good chance this does come back down to 20.3K. But there's also a gap, the double gap down back here. So eventually in the longer term, this should come back up to 35K and 29K. But yeah, there's a gap up today at 20K. So I mean, I'm great. This is great. I'm not complaining. Great for crypto, but yeah, this might come back down to 20K. That'd be really scary. So RSI is at 60 right now on the above average side. So that's a slightly bearish indicator. MACD is actually, well, it's bearish right now, but it is about to cross, so maybe neutral. Yeah, I just don't trust it. It just shut up too high too fast, and that was a gap, so not a popular opinion, but this probably will pull back down to $20 or 20K before it runs to the upside again. So yeah, I wouldn't chase it here. Set your buy orders to 20, I would say, if you want a good price. IMPP, you said? Yeah, I mean, I put it in the order, but we'll get back to that. It's coming down now. Well, it's at 19 now. So if it doesn't get there, then fine. But that's the only play that's moving right now. Alright, so Bitcoin, of course, long-term bullish. But honestly, I think short-term bearish. I think it's coming back down to 20K. I hope I'm wrong. But, oh, wow. I didn't even put it on my screen here. My bad. My bad, my bad. No one said anything. Anyway, here's the chart. Here's a Bitcoin chart. So, yeah. Double gap down. Gap up. Above average RSI. Yes, I'm going to say long-term bullish, short-term bearish. Should pull back down to 20K in the short term. Not financial advice. All right. Do another scan here. Just in case. Nothing. All right. Next one is what was it? SIVB. No, First Republic. FRC. All right, so take these also with a grain of salt, because this is just absolutely insane. But they're all pretty much the same. So we know now, actually, all right. So these are all very, very bullish, technically wise. If they're getting bailed out, then it's okay to put your money in. It should be okay. But if they're going bankrupt and they have not getting bailed out yet, I would not put your money in this. But First Republic didn't necessarily get a bailout. They got equity from the Fed and JP Morgan, which is essentially a bailout, just not an official bailout. So this not financial advice. Do this at your own risk. This looks like a pretty good buy. Aftermarket action bullish. Double gap down bullish. MACD is at 7, which is RSI is at 7. That is insane. That is really low RSI. Extremely oversold. Extremely undervalued. Yeah, this is a clear buy, and this is not a meme stock, you know. So you can't really go too wrong buying here, and this should eventually come back up to, yeah, like 120 to fill the gap, even more than that. Yeah, 120. So this does have quite a bit of upside, like no lie, 300% upside. It may get there in the long term, you know, a couple of years, but what a buying opportunity. Wow. Buy, bro, FRC? No. I'm not going to do it, but because I'm a day trader. But this is actually a pretty good buy and hold, not going to lie. So very bullish indicators here. Getting bailed out, I don't think they're going bankrupt. So could be a good opportunity here. And same with SIVB and this other one, WAL did not get bailed out yet. Let's get that straight. Or I don't know if they're going to, but so this one, SVB Financial, did get bailed out. And yeah, similar graph. So 12.5 RSI, extremely oversold, undervalued. Gap down at like 270-ish. 260, 270-ish. So this should eventually come back up there. Anyways, it's basically the same thing. Low RSI, low MACD, aftermarket. Oh, this is still shut down. This is still halted. My bad. This didn't even trade today. Anyway, yeah. So based on anyway, it's the same indicators. Gap down, MACD, RSI, aftermarket action. So this should be okay. They got bailed out. Don't know how long it's going to take to return to the upside, but this is actually a pretty good value buy right here at whatever it is, $40 for this stock. Just gotta wait till it opens again. But yeah, good time to buy the dip and load up, and lots of upside potential here. So if it's at 40 and the high was at, all right, so if it's at 40 and the high is at or the gap is at 450. So we'll just call it 11x. So you get 11x your money there. Yeah, so excellent buy in my opinion. not financial advice. And WAL, and then I think T10X for Mark. So pretty much the same thing, except this one actually filled the gap at 30. That's insane. But yeah, RSI is at 10.6, extremely low. Double gap down, triple gap down, really. So this should eventually come back to like 85 to fill the gap. And this is current. This went to 7, bro. That's insane. It's currently at 26. So about a 3x, 300% potential gain here. Not as big as the other ones, but this is still pretty good value buy here. Excuse me. What do you short wall tie? No, not now. Not at 10.6 RSI. You're crazy. Hell no. No, I would not short this. Alright. So yeah. This looks like a... You know, I'd rather go for the other ones except over this one. There's not as much upside potential. But this should get you about 300% gain here. If you view it as an investment, buy it here 26, sell it 85, you know, 4x your money. So yeah, this one, same thing. I'm gonna say short and long terms bullish. No, my bad. This one did not get bailed out. This one's up in the air. If you want to trade it, you know, be careful either way, but there's no confirmation that this is getting bailed out yet. So this is definitely not for sure long. But yeah, could be a good long. And I definitely wouldn't go short here. Alright, and let's do 10x for Mark, I think. And then we'll get to the YOLOs. So a lot of price action here today. Aftermarket, especially. But RSI is at 35. Looks like it's cup and handling. Yeah, so aftermarket action bullish. RSI bullish. Cup and handle forming bullish. MACD is going bullish as well. So all the indicators point to this stock doing pretty good. And massive volume today as well. Yeah, so Mark, I think it's going to keep going up to the upside. It should come back to fill the gap here at like 216 at least, but this has the potential to go up to 4, I would say, to complete the gap. So good amount of upside potential here as well. 200 to 400% upside potential. So yeah, don't short. And looks like a pretty good short-term long right here. Not financial advice. All right, that's all the TA for today. I don't know. I may do its own video. Probably not. Maybe First Republic. I don't know. I don't think it's going to stick. Like, it's not going to be a hot stock. We'll see. Maybe bonus content later. Kind of doubt it. I gotta catch up on work anyway. Alright. Yeah, not seeing anything. Was that CPTN? Odd. ADMP. So there's some movement, but no news to justify. Okay. Well, I guess we will just finish up with the YOLOs then. Ken, I think you're the only one who FOMO'd WAL, which is insane, but I'm glad it worked out. All right. so let's finish up with some YOLOs, guys. I am PP moving, bro. To the upside or the downside? To the downside. Yeah, it looks like it's done. That sucks. Alright, guys, let's finish up with the YOLOs today. So we should be out of here in 15 minutes. So I said about an hour and a half. And we'll do hour and a half. Okay. Why no one FOMO with me, bro? Because that was extremely dangerous and no one wants to lose their money. Alright, guys, let's do it. So 7 YOLOs, a few memes, lots of gain corn, and I think 1 or 2 lost corns. Let's do it. First one by Tua turns the ball over. Legend. Wall Street Bets legend. It's not taxpayer funded. It's not a taxpayer funded bailout. So there's a Winnie the Pooh meme. We're not using your taxpayer money to bail out banks. The FDIC will cover all funds through a special asset paid for by all other banks. The special assessment directly charges higher interest rates and fees to other banks' customers to cover the losses. Yeah, so in the end, the American people are the ones that are going to pay for the bailout, because where else is it going to come from? But they'll try to tell you this and that. No, we're paying for it. Alright, next one by Dalton 10E. It's been a privilege, boys. So they're clowning on First Republic here. First Republic, it's been a privilege to serve you. That's their logo, I guess. And it's gone.
And it's gone.
Well, not anymore, because they got bailed out. But, yes. Perfect time to use that meme. So, yeah, 7 hours ago, it looks like it was going under. Now, not so much. Alright, next one by FSPY Roths. That's funny. Alright, regional banks. So, this is just a chart on all the bank gut today. So, USB, 8%. I don't even know how much of these are. I know PNC, 8%. And FRC, KeyBank, SIVB. Yeah, I saw all these stocks halt before. Anyway, yeah, banks getting wrecked today. Absolutely wrecked. Alright, enough for the YOLOs. Let's get to some corn here by Prodigal Moon. PRVB gains. Alright, so PRVB is the stock that mooned today. I think they reverse split or something. Something happened. It mooned today. Anyway, so not too apish, but 10K shares. Average cost of $10. So 100K YOLO. And he's up 140K. 139%. Okay. So I'm not sure if you should really buy and hold a stock like PRVB. Wow, what happened there? But congratulations. Oh, that's what happened. They bought. This is actually really weird. Why is this mooning? I guess I'll go for this. PRVB. Let me see something. Let me check TD. And there's shares for this? That's so weird, dude. No, they paid money for this. That is really odd to me. It's up 260%, but there's no news, and there's still so many shares available. All right. Anyway, it moved 260%. I thought it was a reverse split. Apparently not. That is crazy. And it stayed here all day? No way, dude. No way. I don't think I should go for this. Anyway, so well done, well done. 140% gain. And at this point, you know, I hit the sell button. Can't get too greedy. But, yeah, enjoy your attendees, dude. Very well done. I don't know if it's luck or skill or both, but very well done. Alright, next one by Kitty Cats Cats. Average down on Friday. 12,500% gain this morning. 160 to 12 to 20,000. 160 to 20,000? What? So I can't even really see what... Oh. So, yes, another prevention bio. PV, whatever it was. PRVB. But this one was calls. This one was full ape mode. So 30 calls. It was... Whatever this is. 6, 7, almost $2,000. Almost $2,000 YOLO. And wow. And this is what it is now. Anyway, numbers there. The picture's a little confusing, but yes. 12,500%. Totally unheard of. Very rare. Don't think it's gonna happen to you. 160 to 12K, 20K. Very, very unlikely. So, possible, unlikely. Don't do it, guys. But Epic Gamecorn, thanks for posting, dude, and enjoy your attendees. All right, two more by Philosophical Frogger. You could say I'm a well-regarded fellow. Well, he made bank here today. Yeah, we see here JP Morgan puts, FRC puts, SQQQ calls. So today he's up quite a bit. 10K. It's up like 11K today. Not bad. Not bad at all. So, yeah, again, not sure if it was skill or luck or a little bit of both, but well done. Congrats. Very jealous. How much did he make, though? Well, all time he's up 17K, which is the bulk of his trades here. That's pretty good, pretty good. Only thing is, only question is this sustainable? Yeah, so leverage calls on inverse ETF, nice. Anyway, so more ape stuff here. Going full bear mode, shorting the banks, and it looks like they turned 6K into 22K. So almost 4X. Anyway, yes, very regarded, and well done. Congrats, enjoy your attendees. All right, last one, and this is a this is Lost Corn capitulation. So there's not much to look at here, but you see, year to date he's down 90K.
And it's gone.
It's only been 3 months, bro. 3.5 months. I do not know how you're down 90K, but sure. Sure. That's rough. That's rough. And he only has 18K left. So he had 91K, and now he's only 18.6K. Go. Alright, guys. That is all the YOLOs for today. So it is almost 5:30. Right on time. Let's do one last scan, and then let's get out of here. So I'm not really seeing anything. DCGO. No. Earnings. Everyone, this is earnings. All right, I don't think it's happening. Yeah, the past 3 trading sessions been really, really slow. Nothing to trade, for the way I trade at least. So I've just been like bleeding money slowly every day. It's not a great feeling, but better than losing a bunch. All right, anyway, guys. So that's the show for today. So about an hour and a half, minus the technical difficulties. So a little less than an hour and a half. But yeah, a lot going on today. A lot of news. Not much trading, but a lot of news going on and pretty scary stuff. So I do feel better. You know, things are calming down. Government stepping in, banks stepping in. But that was really scary for a second. And we're not. It's not over just yet. We're still in this. So yeah, we'll see what happens tomorrow and this week. But that's all I got for you guys today. So I hope you guys enjoyed the show. I definitely enjoyed the show. Appreciate everyone. Let's check the comments. No new comments. All right, so that's all I got. So no new plays today that I'm watching. Just IMPP, and that's already down to 18. So I don't think that's. I think that's a dub. Anyway, so yes, appreciate everyone for joining me today. Good luck tomorrow. Hopefully market's better and we get some tendies. And yeah, see you guys back here tomorrow and on Discord. So that's all I got. Let's get out of here. And is Mark still here? I did do the TM. I don't think he's still here, but I did do TRKA for Mark. So if you hear this, you know, just rewind it. I'll try to timestamp. All right, let's get out of here. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See ya guys tomorrow. Peace out.